Now let's talk about absolute value. So if I want to do the absolute value of a number, then I can go, one way to do it is math, right, because there's all these submenus here. And so go to the NUM submenu and then ABS, absolute value, choose that one. And then it looks like absolute value bars, unless you've got the TI83. So if I want to do absolute value of -4, it looks like that. Okay. Well, what if I want to do something like 3 minus 2 times the absolute value? So math, right, 1 of 6 minus 3 times 8. And then if I want to add 4 to that, on the outside, I hit the right arrow, like we've done with fractions and other things, and then add 4. And I get that. So even though there's an absolute value in the expression, doesn't mean my final answer will be positive if there's other stuff going on out here, which there is. Okay. Anyway, that is how you do absolute values. There's other ways to access it, like it says in the slideshow, but yeah, math right one is a good way to do it. And of course, you can go to the y equals menu, and you could do, you can use it there if you want. You could say, all right, well, let's, if I want to do, look at the graph of y equals the absolute value of x, I could go math, right, 1, put an x in there, and then go take a look at the graph. And then that's what the graph is. It's a sharp point. It's not smooth and rounded like a quadratic parabola. But yeah, so you can use it on this menu here as well. And that's it.